saw our pre-cut headlight tint for the 2024 newer Chevy Trax. We're going to be showing you the dark smoke first, followed by the light smoke. Both of these films are applied in a dry manner, and the only tools that you'll need today are a squeegee and a heat source. You could either use a heat gun or a hair dryer on a high setting. So first off, you want to start by cleaning the surrounding area and then the headlamp itself. We will wipe down the lamp prior to installation with a microfiber with a rubbing alcohol water mixture on it, just to make sure all the contaminants are gone. So let's get started on the dark smoke first. So once the headlamp is cleaned, you want to go ahead and start in this corner and sort of get that aligned. There's a little notch in the film that will be placed just slightly past where the headlamp starts to curve over it. And then once it is initially aligned, you can go ahead and start to work it down with your fingertips. And then at this point, we're going to want to hit it with a heat source over the entire film, and then do a concentration on this edge, and then use your squeegee to push the material into the edge. So this is what the dark smoke film looks like, and we're going to be showing you the light smoke next. This film is also removable, so if you change your mind down the road, you can peel it off. Just gotta get your fingertip under the edge. So this is the light smoke 50% film, alignment same way. Go ahead and smooth down the film. Grab your heat source again. And again, this is the light smoke film. If you're interested in this or any of the other products that we have for this vehicle, there's a link in the video description below. If you have any questions, make sure to drop us a line under the contact page on our website. Thanks for watching.